Bullshit. Red thread locker. Bad juju. Yep, that's been off. See? There's not even a gasket on it.
Yeah. Got water in there too.
Yep. That ain't bad at all. A bunch of nasty sludge, but you got water.
Yeah, I saw the water.
Yep. You can hear it. Ah, there it goes.
I don't see anything that, because that would have been in this. I don't see anything that's look like it's worn or shaven.
There's watery, sludgy, nasty mess in it, but the inside of the block looks clean.
Mm-hmm.
No cracks, no. Which I wouldn't expect to see cracks, but pistons are probably going to have to be replaced, though. I really don't think they might clean up, but crank looks good, though. There's no marring, nothing. I mean, the oil pickup down there is really clean. It ain't bad at all. Let's see, what's the other options? I don't know if there is any other options. We're just, see, just set down in there. It still won't even come any further. I ended up having to try to find something I can stick inside the freaking bolt hole and press up against. Because this obviously isn't working right. Well, let's see if that works. Found a socket that fits in there. Duh. Maybe next step's gonna be a long socket. This doesn't. Oh, there it goes. Okay. There we go. Well, that was good sealed. Supposed to be so floppy. Thing I love about how easy these are to take off. And it takes a special tool. Of course it's going to take a special tool. I just want to look at the can, that's it. That's all I want to do. Oh, it's bright outside, I can't see. That went a little bit easier than I thought, getting that off. It wasn't too bad. Since I don't have the tool to get the cam out, it's always like one step forward, one step back. I get the pulley off, and then I don't have the right star head. I've got everything in between, but I can't find the right size. So I guess I'm gonna, next time I'm in Joplin, because I'm not going back, and I'm not paying Harbor Freight, or not Harbor Freight, like Lowe's prices to get the star head set, like on a socket. I think I've got one somewhere. I gotta just dig more. But I'm gonna go get cleaned up so that I can work on some fiberglass stuff. Yep. Nice and straight. Nice and straight. Show you how this is not absolutely fitting at all. When I get this up into place, that's a million miles off on both sides. Obviously, it's not like I'm tilting it or anything. So these I think fit all right. Maybe a little bit further. This I want opposite actually. I want the gap right here so I can run the exhaust pipe through here, which technically I guess there is enough room. On this side there isn't. Well, there will be on the other side. Yeah, there will be on the other side. Now I know the gas tank is sitting a little bit lower than it should because of that rot that's over there in the middle. It's caused the gas tank to sag a tad bit. That's no big deal. When we go to weld all that in, gas tank's coming out, and we're going to jack that up into place. And this line right here will go straight across, so it'll match both. Well, this line will go straight across too. This will all be one nice kind of curvy piece, which is where the exhaust pipes are going to set in, because of course that's going to go bye-bye. This is absolutely not going to work at all. So I think I accidentally put footage that was supposed to be used for this video in the motor reveal video. Maybe not. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did, actually. Oh well, whatever. So this video might be a little bit short, because this didn't work out. I was hoping it would be decently close, and it is stupidly far off. I don't have a lot of time to work on this today, so I was hoping that would work, and it's far from it. I've been working on the stupid door all day. We're getting rid of all the body lines. We said the hell with it. We talked about it in the render that we drew, or that I drew. Does not include any of that, and she said it looks really good that way, so she agreed, and we're just gonna do away with all of it. I wish I could have kept the lower ones, but I just, as right now, it just doesn't seem fathomable to keep it, and I don't think that they're gonna look all that good when it's done. I think it'll just, there's already a lot of curves on the car because it's being widened and the way it's being widened, and I think those lines will just add too much. As for the rear piece, I'm just going to build my own. It's just going to be so much more simple than trying to modify this one and shrink it down when it doesn't even fit right. It doesn't even look right on the car. The uprights, the hardware where it mounts to the car, I'll weld that into the back of the car so it looks perfect. I need to take the truck and go get a piece of sheet metal so I can fix this back. I need to jack it up, cut out part of the back. A lot of this section in the back is being cut out. From what it seems like, the fuel tank is bad. And I don't mean like bad. It's just, man, we're doing everything. What's replacing the fuel tank? And I'm not going to go with the factory fuel tank. We talked about it. We found a solution for sloshing and everything else, and so we're going to buy a tank, put in some baffles or something, or wiffle balls. Yes, that is a thing. Dirt track guys have been doing it forever, so they don't have issues. So I'll give it a whirl. I will have to order some off the internet and do an E85 test, because we would like to run E85 with this. So, but the high HDPE. I think that's what they are, wiffle balls. Gas doesn't dissolve them. At least they're not having problems, and they've been running them for years without changing them. So I'm sure we'll be fine. It's E85 is the question. So I don't know. I need to go down and get some 3/4 inch. I have 3/4 inch. I need 1/4 inch MDF so that I can start templating the back. Not too worried about it right now. There's a lot of cutting and welding that needs to go on back there. But yeah, because then I'll order a 1/4 inch ABS and build it out of ABS. I can build most of the hardware in, or French in hardware, or make hardware better looking than this, because this is too short on the sides and the pieces don't even line up at all, and it's not going to be easy to modify. So thank you all for watching. Hope you're enjoying everything that's going on. There's been a lot going on lately. Getting ready to get hopefully the seats in next week, so we'll go from there and blah 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 blah. There's no point in me continuing. Y'all see it in the upcoming episodes. Thanks a lot. Y'all have fun. And remember, from now till 1,000 subscribers, whenever that happens to be, we're going to do that giveaway. So, again, I'm waiting to hear back from a couple places on a couple ideas on cost and so on and so forth.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.